pray for Calvary. I pray blood of Jesus. It makes no difference. I know Jesus is up now. I made my reservation for next day this night. I may not move forward, or may not move late. I know that I'll be leaving closer to Him. Lord, that love is patient. He's calling on board, and there's nations heaven, set on crystal shore. Where will we take her, and love will have gone? Well, there's a long journey, and God going home to Him. I know that Jesus is love now. I made my reservation for next day to sky. I may not go home, or may not go late, but no.